In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset a Samsung Galaxy phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And you can do this with any Samsung phone. Currently, I'm using the Samsung S25 Ultra, and all I want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right of my screen. It's just going to bring up my control panel. Then on the top right again, I'm going to see that little settings button. So go ahead and click on that. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and see a lot of different options. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and scroll down until I'm in general management. Once I see general management, go ahead and click on it. Now on the bottom, I'm going to see reset, which is under mouse and trackpad. So go ahead and click on that. And it says before resetting your phone, back up your data to Samsung Cloud or an external storage device. You can restore your data after resetting. So you can choose which backup you want, and it has to be a backup. So I can do a temporary cloud backup. Then it's going to ask me to back up my data. So just go ahead and click on that. And then I just want to press continue, and then it's going to say exactly what permissions it's needed. And then it's going to say searching for data to back up. And once I've done that, I'll be able to go ahead and reset my Samsung Galaxy phone. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.